How to fix Lyft Driver app not working. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. In order to fix this issue, first of all, head over to your app store. In the source bar, search for Lyft Driver. Move into this app. Here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your app to the latest version. So once your application is up to date, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Move into General. Head over to iPhone storage. In this page, you simply have to search for the application Lyft Driver. It will be landing you on this page. In here, click on Offload App. And once again click on Offload App. It means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will make your application run smoothly and remove unwanted bugs. Once you have offloaded the app, it might fix the issue that you have been facing. But if you are still facing the issue, then what you want to do is simply uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the app will definitely fix the issue, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Lyft Driver app not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.